Hello and welcome. In this quick video, I'll show you the personalization, a brand new update that we released that will help you personalize your pages and quickly change content globally in a few minutes. Alright, so let's get started. The personalization is really cool. You can find it by clicking on website settings and then personalization. So basically the personalization allows you to create your own tags, and quickly through those tags you can modify content throughout your pages. So let's add, let's say, an email. And click on save, and just like that we've created this email tag, and you can use this tag to use it into your pages. So let's add my email there, and then let's create a new one called phone, and then add some numbers into it. So now I can copy these created tags and I can start using them throughout my design. So let's say that we want to have a button on top which is, telling us what are the email of the companies. So you can type in email and just use the tag there. And let's say this button we want it to go and email right away. So you can just edit it and add the name, that email. As you can see, it right away it fills in the information into the button from the dynamic data that we added into the personalization tab. You can also do that for the link picker as well. So now here you can just add the email, and just like that it will automatically fill in the email when somebody clicks in on the button and knows where to email the whole thing. So let's just modify this slightly. You can do that for the phone as well. So you can add a new button, have it go now, have phone instead, and we can add for phone, we can add the phone variable. And just like that, any information that is added into the personalization tab with this data, it will automatically show into the website. So when we preview it, you will see that we have the information filled in right away. The phone number, when you click on it, will start calling right away. The email is filled in here and here. So it's super simple and easy to modify all these pages like this. This is great for if you're a designer, for example, and you want to modify with just a few clicks the whole inputs of the different fields that you want to modify. You can create as many different personalization tags to easily modify different areas. For example, all these things you can personalize on all the pages. So it is really powerful and really easy to do. You can also do them into different scenarios and ways. But a very great and easy way to use them is for, like I said, for designers and if you have your own white label. Because by creating a template, you can actually have the whole template using these personalization tags throughout the design. And there is a pop-up when you start a new website, and let me show you this in the white label, how easy it is. So when you start a new website, but it's actually coming with this field inside, like in this case we've created this smiley template, and when we start this design, as you can see, this is the website template, how it looks, the blue color, nothing personalized. But when you click on start with this theme, add some name to the website, and you have this pop-up popping up. This is if you have these fields inside there. So now the customer can personalize with some data about the company themselves. Let's say New York, phone number, email, let's say standard simply, and add some brand color, not the blue that was used there, but let's say an orange. And then let's add a logo, which is Stan, and let's make it orange as well. So just like that, we personalize our website, and by clicking on go to my website, you see that it just created a brand new website with the design that we've selected. But it's completely different because we already personalized it. You have the code now, the email thing here. The map is also connected with the address, so it shows the address of the business right away. So the customer doesn't have to fill in this information, and also yourself, because we're adding all these personalization tags into your templates. So when you start a new funnel or a new website, you'll be able to select, quickly enter this information and personalize the whole experience like that. As you can see, when you preview it, you have the button is going to call the specific number. This is going to email to the specific email. Any text that you might be adding, the logo is personalized, the brand color, the map is mapping to New York because we selected New York. You can add the address here as well if you wish as a text. So this way is how simple it is to personalize everything. And you can always modify it, of course, by using the personalization tab, and you can add something like John at Symphony with a different number, with California or Chicago, for example, Illinois, and just by clicking and previewing, you see that, you know, the email has changed, that the phone has changed, and we're now linking to Chicago instead of New York. And this is happening just in a few seconds. Obviously, the brand color you can change anytime by using the color palette and change it to, let's say, red, I don't know, and just personalize it like this. This is how simple it is, and the personalization obviously can be used into different ways. And the cool thing is about the system properties as well, and I'll show you in this website, for example. And if you have membership area, for example, people who are buying products or just having a membership area in general for the website, we can just add the login option to, you know, to allow the registration to be happening. And just by previewing the web, actually, now let's add the tag. First of all, let's go to personalization and copy the first name. So here in our text, you can add something like, hey, first name, welcome to the website again. And let's just resize it so it looks better like this, and click on save. Now, if we go to this, to the preview, at the moment, we're actually logged in, but yeah, this is because we already have we're logged in as Stanislav, as myself. But if we if we change our name, for example, to Simon, for example, click on save, and you'll see that in the preview again it will change the name. This way it takes the name from the profile of the customer that is logged in and will display the information here right away. You can do that for the last name and for the email, and we're planning actually to add it for different other things that you can collect from the profiles, so you can display it into the pages. But this way you can personalize dashboards, pages, and the overall experience could be a lot personal and better for conversions, I think, and overall experience. So these are some of the cool things that you can do with the personalization. Just like a CMS, you can modify on different places into your pages, or to create your own templates if you're a white label, and use these membership area profiles as well, properties as well. So this is the personalization. I hope that you enjoyed this new small feature, but it has great power and potential to personalize your pages and help you with conversions. I hope that you like it. Looking forward to your feedback.